Welcome to Washington State, where vibrant cities meet wild, breathtaking landscapes. Nestled in the Pacific Northwest, Washington is a land of evergreen forests, dramatic coastlines, and innovative cities. Here, you can hike a lush rainforest in the morning and explore a world-class museum by afternoon. Savor fresh seafood, discover quirky markets, and feel the pioneering spirit woven through every community. Washington is a place for every traveler, whether you crave solitude in nature or the buzz of a forward-thinking city. The spirit of exploration is everywhere, from misty waterfalls to the salty air of Puget Sound. Imagine hearing an eagle's call overhead or catching your first glimpse of a snow-capped peak. Our journey will take you from iconic landmarks to hidden local favorites, revealing the many layers of this amazing state. Think of this as a friend sharing the best secrets. Washington is full of stories, and it's time to start your own. Let's get ready to uncover the wonders of Washington together. Let the adventure begin. No trip to Washington is complete without seeing the Space Needle, Seattle's symbol of innovation. Ride the glass elevator for sweeping views of the city, Elliott Bay, and the Cascade and Olympic Mountains. Just outside Seattle, Mount Rainier National Park awaits, an active volcano and a paradise for nature lovers. Visit Paradise for wildflower meadows or stroll the Grove of the Patriarchs among ancient trees. Olympic National Park is another must, where you'll find rugged coastline, the lush Hoh rainforest, and glacier-capped peaks at Hurricane Ridge. It's like visiting three worlds in one park. Back in Seattle, Pike Place Market is the city's beating heart. Watch fishmongers toss salmon, browse local crafts, and sample delicious foods. The energy is contagious. Don't forget to grab a coffee from the original Starbucks and soak it all in. These landmarks capture the essence of Washington. Bold, beautiful, and full of life. Each stop offers a new perspective on what makes this state unforgettable. Start your adventure with these icons, and you'll see why Washington is so special. Beyond the landmarks, Washington's experiences are what make it truly memorable. Take a ferry to the San Juan Islands for whale watching, kayaking, and a taste of island life. Visit the Chihuly Garden and Glass in Seattle, where vibrant glass sculptures dazzle among real flowers. For outdoor lovers, North Cascades National Park offers rugged peaks, turquoise lakes, and world-class hiking. Drive the scenic highway or hit the trails for breathtaking views. Wine enthusiasts should head east to Walla Walla or Yakima Valley. Tour vineyards, meet passionate winemakers, and sample award-winning wines. Whether you're exploring wild landscapes or savoring local flavors, Washington's diversity shines. Every activity connects you to the state's creative spirit and natural beauty. There's always something new to discover. A few smart tips will make your Washington adventure smooth and memorable. Visit in summer for hiking and city life, or try spring and fall for fewer crowds and stunning colors. Pack layers. Washington's weather is famously unpredictable. Rent a car to explore beyond Seattle. Public transit is limited outside the city. Don't miss a ferry ride to the islands. Book ahead during peak season. Reserve accommodations and tours early, especially for national parks and whale watching. Buy park passes online and consider a city pass for Seattle's top attractions. Embrace the spirit of discovery. Talk to locals, try hidden coffee shops, and take scenic detours. The best memories often come from unplanned moments. Enjoy every step of your journey. Washington will leave you wanting more.